Look at you two. Like a little jockey. Oh, he saw the cat. Hang on, buddy. Oh, my. He dumped you right off. Now you're mad about it? Okay, Truce, I guess.
You look so beautiful. Will you marry me?
Do you have money?
No.
Sorry, you are not my type.
That was hilarious.
Who did this?
I don't know.
Who did this?
The dog.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, buddy, you got spooked. That cat is too smart for you.
You look so lovely. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I am 35.
Sorry, you are expired.
Poor baby. Oh, you're fine, you're fine. I was frightened.
Oh, you didn't like that, huh? Oh, my gosh. Bye, buddy.